Whether it's the result of being hunched over a computer screen 8 hours a day or the product of a horrible night of sleep, you have probably experienced the uncomfortable feeling of stiff, achy muscles in your neck at some point. Among many viral sensations, neck cracking has also become popular on TikTok. While it may be tempting to give in to the urge to crack your neck for a temporary relief, a doctor has issued a warning against this popular practice. Worryingly, cracking your neck could put you at risk of fractures and even a stroke. Known for debunking medical myths and offering health advice, Ever Arias, MD, took to TikTok to share with his followers why they should never crack their necks. The doctor revealed a story of a 20-something-year-old patient who walked into the emergency room after she tried to crack her neck. He explained that when the woman was attempting to crack her neck for the second time, she heard a snap, causing her a great deal of pain. Arias said, "We found that she had a cervical compression fracture. Basically, she was found to have a diagnosis of hypermobility syndrome, and because of that she was very mobile. What happened is that she ended up flexing her neck a little bit too much and started having the compression fracture. Once you've broken your neck, your treatment will depend on the severity of the fracture." The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons explains you could be treated with a cervical brace worn for 6 to 8 weeks or need surgery and spend months in a rigid cast. Worryingly, neck fracture isn't the only scary outcome of neck cracking, according to the doctor. In the TikTok, Arias also described another case study of a man who went to a chiropractor only to find out later that the professional ruptured his artery. The doctor added, "It's important to understand that if you crack your neck, if you go to the chiropractor, there's a couple situations that you could put yourself in. I see that sometimes people come in with strokes and they had a chiropractor manipulate their neck and they ended up having a vertebral artery dissection that caused them to have a stroke. So it's important if you are going to a chiropractor, you tell them, 'Don't touch my neck.' You could also cause your own vertebral artery dissection or other injuries to vessels in the structure of the neck. Hopefully, you use that information to never crack your neck again."